Depth in texture is the detail viewers feel even when they don't consciously notice it. Today, how to explore speckle texture depth. Launch Photoshop and start a new 2048 by 2048 pixel canvas filled with dark gray. Create a new layer, fill it with black, then add noise at about 75% gauzy and monochromatic. Use levels to isolate bright speckles and change blend mode to screen. Duplicate the layer and scale it larger with transform so the speckles increase in size, then blur that duplicate at about 1 pixel to simulate distance. Duplicate again, scale smaller, and keep that layer